Vector Seal, Titan Metal Series high quality metal drain pans. Condensate drain pans. Air conditioning secondary condensate drain pans collect condensate from cooling and evaporator coils in case of overflow. Recommended for residential and commercial HVAC units. Knockouts are used to run emergency condensate drain lines or to tie into a condensate switch, such as a safety switch. Secondary drain pans are a recommended part of a properly functioning HVAC system. About 1 in 50 insured homes has property damage claim caused by water damage or freezing each year. Average homeowner losses about $10,234 per claim. Incorporating a secondary drain pan into the HVAC system may prevent extensive damage to the home. Why the Titan Metal Series drain pans? Because of its quality, safety, and flexibility. On the quality, it's galvanized steel, resists rust and corrosion. It's a one-piece construction, no seam construction, which helps prevent leaks. Safety, they have smooth rolled edge. Steel edge rolling and deburring removes the sharp edges and any imperfections that could cause injury during installation. Flexibility, Titan drain pans have 2 drain plug outlets on the short and long sides, offering flexibility during installation. Fittings included, securely attached to each drain pan. 8 sizes to fit the needs of any contractor. Compatible condensate shutoff switches. Safety switch, SS700E. Electronic switch for secondary auxiliary drain pans only. Quantity of 24 per case. All access, AA3, a clip-in style for primary and auxiliary drain pans, float switch. Also 48 per case. And also from All Access is the AA4P, a plenum-rated secondary drain pan float switch, also 48 per case. Compatible condensate shutoff switches by AquaGuard. The AG1200 Plus, a magnetic float switch for metal and plastic secondary drain pans. AG1250E, multi-purpose water sensor for metal, plastic secondary drain pans and basement installations. AG3150E, a 2 series in 1 primary pan and secondary pan sensor with a time delay. AG3175E is a plenum-rated primary pan sensor with time delay. Plus it has a bonus secondary sensor. And the AG3180E, plenum-rated micro pan switch plus bonus secondary sensor. Here are the model numbers for the Titan drain pans. All of these are 2-inch in height and are quantity of 5 per case. Nestable for easy storage. Thank you again.